how to create a YouTube channel on your phone. Now, that's what I'm going to show you guys in this video. So let's get started right away. Now, the very first thing that you want to do is go to youtube.com on your browser and not the app. And once you're here, you want to log into your account that you want to create a channel of, and then request the desktop website. So on Android, you have to, or on iOS, you have to click on these two A's, then request the desktop website. And on Android, you either have to click on the top right or bottom right corner where you see 3 dots, and then you can request the desktop website. So from this point on, you want to just zoom in a bit and click on your profile picture and then go to the settings. Now here you want to zoom out again, and here where you can see add or manage your channels, you want to click on that. And here you can create another channel. So click on create a channel, and right here you have to put in a brand name, such as to like channel or whatever. Just click on create, and now we have created that channel, I believe. If this will load, so let's wait for that. And yeah, here it is. We have now created this channel. So yeah, that's basically it. I hope this video helped you out. Please leave a like and let me know in the comments if it worked. And I'll see you next time. Have a good day.